At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, another one here. 63-year-old farmer Carlton Barnett had a message for the president of the People's National Party, PNP, Mark Golding, during today's by-election in the Trelawny Southern constituency. So this is a no teeth man, my wisdom warriors, yeah? This 63-year-old farmer say him have a message for Mark Golding. The Jamaica Labour Party JLP Marissa Dalrymple Philibert is aiming for her 5th consecutive term after resigning in September last year. She faces a challenge from former JLP councillor Lloyd Muzi Gillings. The PNP has chosen not to contest the by-election. So, my wisdom warriors, hear what this man have to say.
Tell Mark Golding say, Mr. Carlton Barnett send this message to him. South Trelawny belongs to Jamaica Labour Party. Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, she won South Trelawny. No other party. No other party in South Trelawny. Jamaica Labour Party, sir.
Kind of farming you do, sir?
I plant yam, banana, everything, miss. Everything in the farming. Everything in the farming. Enough yam, banana, planting, cocoa, everything in the farming. I live by farming. I don't live by politicians. I live by farming. I send 8 kids to school by farming. 7 daughters, 1 son. 13 grandkids. 8 grandson, 5 granddaughter. Just like that. I built my house out of farming. Just like that.
My wisdom warriors, they can say, sister, this old man here spend too much time in hills and valleys. Him no know what really are going on in the country. Him not have a clue. Him not have a clue, my wisdom warriors. This a man here don't know what is going on in the country. Because I have another video what I want to listen to, what this lady want the government to do in a southern Trelawny. And that for sure to say Mama D wasn't doing anything in Trelawny. Mama D wasn't doing anything in Trelawny. So when me hear this a farmer here come out and attack my wisdom warriors, him does a chat. Him no know nothing we are galang. You understand? Orange just turn a blind eye to it. So you know hear what the lady have to say.
And I have been living in this area, I have to say, all my life. And the changes that I would really love to see is for the community. We have good road, water, because in southern Trelawny we have all the water, but we don't have any in our house. So that is one of the things that I would really love to see. And agricultural area, what I would really love for the government to do is to have a place where, like, you plant tomatoes, you plant your cash crop. You have a place where the farmers can go, because you plant your tomato and when you look, there's no market. You plant callaloo and so if they have in a container in the area where the farmers know that if they have any amount of pepper, they can go there. I think it will help the community. So that is really what I would love to see for South Trelawny. Road, water, we have light, right? But we would really love to see something be done for the farmers of South Trelawny. Because I want to tell you, the farmers here, where they work, if you look at the steepness, they have a very hard time. But, you know, yes, it's very hard, but they need something to be done for the farmers of South Trelawny.
You just voted, right?
Yes.
How many times can you remember have you voted?
From I could vote, I'm voting. That's my right. I don't have any thought if I don't vote. So that's my right. So I'm encouraging everybody, exercise your right.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear what she say? She has been living in a Trelawny, South Trelawny for much years. Yeah? For all her life, she has been living there. And the changes she want to see. She want road, she want water. Like, come on, so what was Mama D doing? What was she doing all along? What was she doing all along? No wonder why you see she have 8 criminal charges against her. No wonder why she have 8 criminal charges against her to the day. To the day. So when me hear that the farmer they my wisdom warriors, this is why I'm showing you the video, you know. And show you so that the farmer they in the hills, in the bush, him no know what Gwaan, or him just die-hearted. Come in to know what kind of message him say him send. A people like these cause problem because politician no help him, but yet he out here a different politician. It just don't make no sense to me. Yeah, a different politician. It just don't make no sense. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The People's National Party has written to Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake, calling for Police High Command to ensure the Jamaica Constabulary Force operates with fairness and professionalism in addressing intimidation and vote buying concerns during the campaign period. You hear me talk about that last night. Well, now the PNP still obviously insists. You understand? But and I really no problem too much, you know, my wisdom warriors, because I see Mark Golden pan the ground and I see Michael Phillips pan the ground also. Anyway, in the letter, PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell said the party received a report of thugs in the licensed area tearing down orange flags and firing shots Thursday morning. You understand them something there? You understand? I was talking about it yesterday. This for sure, you know. This for sure. PNP, listen to me. Me know say you always on humble and you know obviously you not cause no problem and you love your labor right them, but let me tell you now. Labor right no love nobody. Let me tell you now that. Yeah, me don't want to be vulnerable and I say oh because you humble and whatever and love labor right. Labor right we K-I wanna finish your word for me there. Then we do it. You hear me? You hear me? So when you see them, listen to me. Listen to me. You be wise. You hear me? Be wise. Play wise for catch fool. My PNP massive. Play wise for catch fool. Alright.
For the PNP, we have a consistent turnout of voters. We are meeting our target yet so far. It's still early. Like we will win this PB 23, and I expect that we will win the division here in the by-election. Turnout is consistent but slow, yeah. So I expect that later on in the day we will see an uptick in the turnout. But so far we're good.
And you're confident of victory, knowing that in February the seat was flipped.
No, well, this is historically a PNP
right.
division. Yes, we lost it in February, and I think that seeing, even though a short time, you know, that they had a GLP council in the division, the voters have recognized that there needs to be a resettling. And, you know, the former councillor is the candidate here now. Dawson, and I think that the comrades are really motivated to come out and vote. Seeing that we are going into a period for a general election, this will send an indication of where the support is for the PNP, not only in the division but the constituency itself. So I expect that at the end of the day that the People's National Party should come out victorious.
So my wisdom warriors, that is Michael Phillips underground in Aenon Town, alright? Mark Golden is also underground, my wisdom warriors. It's like he went live, but it's like the network so bad. I couldn't even get to catch too much of it, but just take a look at this.
Oh.
So my wisdom warriors, as you can see, Marky G is live in Aenon Town. And me I tell you no, I'm glad how I'm upon the ground, my wisdom warriors, because after all what happened yesterday, it is a good move. It is a good move. Anyway, hear this. Wanna see how granny she a go on with fear herself? No, sir. Me I tell you, say one thing, you know, PNP people there, me I tell you, no, they know how to at up the place. Granny no easy. You mean granny say time come and I wind up her body. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I have a piece of attack claps for drop on Uno. Uno no know say big strike a go on. Big stinking strike a go on right now. Hear this. The hotel sector has been hit by another protest over wage concerns. This time, workers at Jewel's Paradise Cove in Runaway Centan have walked off the job, calling for increased wages and better working conditions. This is the second protest this week and the fifth protest by hotel workers in recent weeks. Take in this. So my wisdom warriors, just to make you know what Gwaan, the people they mean business, man. Yeah man, the people they mean business. Them must say, you know what, this can't go on no longer. I mean I blame them. This cannot go on any longer. The people they want more money, they want work in a better condition. Come on. You get me? You don't have the money. Remember say Edmund Bartley a skin off in 34, you know. Remember say Edmund Bartley a skin off in 34 every time, you know, and I say how the tourism is booming, you know. At least them forget $500 an hour. And that them forget $500 an hour or more. 600, 700, which me know no not gonna do that. But at least give them 500. No, 300. 500. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, me want to run over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round channel. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press. I'm a PNP massive. My undecided voters run out and go put the X beside the head. Alright? Big up on a nice clean self. One love.